First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Additional Setting. Then tap on Storage. Here, you'll see how much storage is being used. Tap Clean Up or Free Up Space if the option is available. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove junk files, temporary files, and unnecessary data. Next, go back and tap Apps. Select an app that is using a lot of storage. Then tap Clear Cache. Repeat these steps for other apps if needed. Next, open the Photos app. Remove unwanted photos and videos.
Don't forget to empty the trash or bin to free up storage completely. That's it. This is how you can clean phone storage on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.